If you toss a ball in the air, its trajectory follows that of a parabolic arc, like so. What about more complicated shapes? Well, at first glance, a hammer doesn't seem to follow that behavior, especially if I track its handle. But if I instead track its center of mass, that does follow a parabolic arc, just like the simple ball. So what is the center of mass? The center of mass is effectively the average position of all the mass in that object. A hammer is very heavy at one end and lighter at the handle, so the average position of its mass is closer to the head. We could calculate the center of mass, or we could find the point at which it balances on my finger. So tracking the center of mass of any object will follow a parabolic arc. Even people have to follow this trend. But if you watch this ballet dancer, she seems to defy physics. I've tracked her torso because when she's standing up, that's about where her center of mass is going to be located. But her torso seems to come up, glide horizontally, and then fall back down. That's because when she jumps, she raises her arms and legs, and that is changing her center of mass midair. And when she times it right, she gets this really cool gliding effect. And come to think of it, a similar move is what made Air Jordan so famous. Thanks for watching.